Hello friends, welcome to today's class, and today we are going to learn a new chapter, online transactions. In this chapter we will learn what is online transaction, okay, and what are the website which offering online shopping, what are their names, advantages, disadvantages, and much more. So let's start. E-commerce stands for electronic commerce, which means online commercial activities. In other words, buying and selling of goods or services using the internet. So basically the use of e-commerce services for purchasing, for selling the products, for buying the products, and for the e-shopping. But before this concept introduced, it was used for exchanging the information online. So that time it was known to electronic data interchange. Okay, so this is the process of e-commerce, and it used for online transactions. And there are website also which offer e-commerce facility. E-commerce websites are there like Amazon, Snapdeal, Tata Click, Flipkart, Myntra, and many more website which offers to sell and purchase the products online, right? Now let's see what are the advantages of e-shopping. So many advantages of e-shopping, like time saving, go for global, wide variety, stores never closed, good discounts, and no forceful shopping. So time saving is basically that you all do all this transaction sitting at your home only, okay, at your office only, okay. Whenever you get free time, you can do the online shopping. So there is no foundation that you go to the market and then you have to take out some time for that only. So there you can save the time by doing the online shopping. Now go for global, it means that when you go for any shopping mall or any store, so there is a limited particular brands available, okay, for any types of product, like if you're looking for clothing or for any groceries or accessories. So but for the online shopping, there is no limitation. You can just purchase the international brands as well, okay. So this is like go for global. Now wide variety also available. There is no particular choice is there that only you have to purchase from this type of what they have the stock there. So there is no limitation in online. You can match your variety, that yes, it is suitable or not. This is one of the most helpful advantage, that stores never closed, because there is a timing for the market, okay, in your area or wherever it is. So there is a opening time, there is a closing time for that market. And being a working professional, if you don't get time to go market, so where you will do the purchasing, where you will buy the product. So there is a way of online shopping, okay. That is there the advantage, that you can do the purchasing wherever you are and wherever you get time, okay. So hardly a few minutes you take to complete the shopping, okay, online. And it saves the time as well. So all the advantages are connecting to each other, like time saving, go for global, wide variety, stores never close. So it is a very helpful thing. Now good discounts also, that good discounts mean that compared to the offline store, compared to the outlets, you get additional discounts on the online purchasing, okay. You get coupons, offers. So these all you get to the online shopping, right? So these are the advantages. And no forceful shopping. This is quite hilarious as well, that when you go for the offline shopping or go to the any market outlet, so there is a salesperson that involves you to the shopping. And somewhere he or she tells you that this is all about the product. And like after you that telling each and everything about the product. And after some time you feel irritation and uncomfortable, that always pursuing you, following you, okay, and asking you, sir, what you like and what you don't like, what is your demand. So this all situations bring some kind of uneasiness. So that is the problem in the offline. But in the advantages of e-shopping, this is very good that and there is no forceful shopping. Now let's see some disadvantages of e-shopping as well. Okay, and this is all are very important points here, like lack of interaction. Okay, so many of us doesn't like some boring shopping, and like some only there is no communication, there is no people around us, so they'll prefer to the offline purchasing, like they like the people around us. And you go for offline stores, and you need conversation, you like the conversation, and you want to know the product from someone else. Okay, so this the way of interaction which is missing in the online shopping. And return issues means, if you can, by going to the outlets, you can see the quality and see the product as well. So when you purchase the product, you can if you don't fit it that in product, like you have purchased a shirt or any kind of merchandise, so there you can go easily and exchange it, you can return it, and you can get a new one. But in the offline, in e-shopping, there is no such easy returning. Sometimes you feel so much annoyed that you file the return, okay, but nobody came and nobody respond. So this kind of problem generally feel by the user by returning the return issues. So unsure of product quality, that in the outlets, in the market outlets, you can see the product, you can feel the product, you can just check out all the features and everything by taking in your hand, and you can easily confirm the quality of that product. But in the e-shopping, you have to just see and understand this might be the quality, this might not be the quality, and this how this product will respond. Okay, so this is the unsurety of the product quality. Now delayed delivery, it is one of the major problem in the online shopping, that your product doesn't reach to you on the time. Okay, so sometimes you get messages or alerts that your product is here and there. Okay, it will reach you on this date, it will reach you on this time, but the product doesn't reach on time. So this kind of inconvenient situations faced by the users. And fraud alert, this is the very big and major issues there in the online shopping, that so many scammers and fraudulers are searching online everything, and they need someone easy targets, so that they can capture their information by accessing illegal ways. Okay, so you have to be really alert what information you are providing on the internet shopping. Okay, so you have to be very alert, providing the all your bank details, card details. So first confirm the site, confirm the authenticity of that shopping website, then go for the purchasing, otherwise it will be really threatening for anyone. Now e-reservation allows you to reserve or check the availability for particular service using internet, like accommodation in hotels, restaurant, booking seats in train, bus or flights. So e-reservation is very simple to understand, that you can reserve your seats, you can reserve your hotels rooms and flights by using the internet facility. Okay, so there you go for the particular railway sites, or train booking sites, or flight booking sites, hotel websites. So you can just book your all the accommodation and seats. And not only for this purpose, that you have to go for the only booking seats in train and hotels, you can book the movie tickets, parking tickets, any match tickets, like somewhere is match is organized in any stadium, so you can go for the booking those tickets as well. Okay, you can book your meals as well in any restaurant. So this is all the facility you can opt from the e-reservation. And not only that, you go always for booking, you can check the availability, you can just search it, what are these and how it going to work. So this is also done in e-reservation system. So there are benefit of e-reservation. Save both time and money, because it saves your time as well. You have to go, if you have to book the train ticket, you have to go to the counter, railway counter, there is a long queue there, and of course you will need some time to book the tickets, because your number is might be come at the late. So this is the time saving option of e-reservation, and money as well, that okay. And quick cancellation also, that because you can easily cancel your all the bookings very easily sitting at your home as well, from your mobile phones also, from your laptop. So sitting at home you can do all the cancellation very easy. Easy refund transfer, this is very important benefit, easy refund transfer, because when you cancel any booking, so at that moment you get all the refund at to your account. Okay, you go to the counter, if you go to the cancellation, so it might be a a bit problematic there because of the long queue, but by canceling the online, so you get the refund as well and you save the time also. Rapid booking, yes, of course, rapid booking means it allows you to book the tickets, book the all the reservations very easily. Okay, there is a hassle free thing, and your internet speed for that should be good, because the online transactions depend on your internet speeds. Okay, so this is the benefit of that e-reservation system. When you purchase an online ticket, you can book it from anywhere, okay, having the internet connection. So this is very useful method to. So this is all about this chapter, online transactions. We have understood all the key points from this chapter. Okay, so let's read it at your home, okay friends, and make the points and prepare it. Okay, and subscribe my channel, Decode Computer Classes. Stay home and stay healthy also. Thank you friends, we'll meet in the next class. Thank you.